US news. Gay couple in US get 100 years in prison for raping their adopted sons. There is no way. There is literally no way it's real. Oh my god. They actually... Oh my god. 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 A gay couple from Georgia sexually abused their two adopted sons will spend the rest of their life in jail here. The two accused, William and Zachary Zulok, sentenced to 100 years in prison each without a chance to parole. I'm making this video. This is terrible, and it's not because of the fact that they're gay, obviously. This is because they're bad human. They are a very bad human beings. It doesn't matter that they are gay, they are just a very terrible human beings. Earlier, they adopted the two brothers. Oh, those poor kids, who have now turned 12 and 10 for a Christian special need agency. Poor kids. I hate people. One of the couple's friends told the police that on Snapchat, once Zachary wrote, "I'm going to F my..." Oh my god. Oh my god. The couple even used social media platform to pimp. What? The two brothers to at least two men in the local pedophile sex. Oh my god. What is this retarded music? They were arrested after police caught an alleged member of the ring downloading. The two accused plead guilty to the charges of the aggravated child molestation as well as the sexual exploitation of the children. Oh my god. Oh my god. Terrible. This is terrible. Fuck.